Para naman ang DFA sa kakayahan ni bagong Philippine Ambassador to China, Erlinda Basilio. Ayon sa DFA, naniniwala sila sa lalo pang mapalakas ang ugnayan ng Pilipinas sa China. Sinabi ng DFA na bilang isang seasoned career diplomat ay hindi matatawaran ang kakayahan ni Basilio. Umaasa rin ang kagawaran na masisimulan na ni Ambassador Basilio ang kanyang trabaho. Kabilang sa mga usapin ni Basilio ay ang territorial dispute sa West Philippine Sea. Itinalaga ito ni Pangulong Aquino bilang kapalit ni dating Ambassador Sonia Brady na na-stroke sa Beijing.
So, we will submit to the Commission on Appointments once they confirm, and therefore we can seek other benefits. For instance, agreement for the agreement for the designation of Yusek Basilio as our new ambassador to China.
So you're confirming it's Ambassador Basilio. So what were the main considerations for your appointing?
Basically, the higher recommendations by your Secretary of Foreign Affairs, given her wealth of experience, given that she's already the senior secretary, and that sends a signal of how important our relations are with China and how serious we are of trying to achieve an understanding with them.